What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Welcome, my viewers and subscribers. What's going on in the morning? Guys, welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle, Real Talk TV. How no do, how no stay, alright out there? I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. Guys, this morning, I want to talk to you about this Drizzy Burke and Joker situation. Guys, I never want to say anything about it, but I go try to talk about it a little bit. You notice me say try. Yeah, man, I'm going to try to talk about it a little bit in the best of my ability. And guys, why I say me go try is because I know Joker. Joker used to come on my yard at Jamaica when my father was alive. Me and Joker used to dip on the same bus and go to Ochirayos when my father used to dip on cruise ship. So me know Joker very good, very well. Very good. Very well. That's how much me know Joker. Good. All them Ochirayos story where you hear people attack, me know about them too. And me can't tell you no. Whole heap. But me no come after that this morning. Now, Drizzy Burke. Drizzy, if you watch that video, yeah. Drizzy, you know Shoki. Drizzy, you know Shoki. Alright, Drizzy, did you know say me and Shoki is relative? Me don't know if you know that. Me don't know. Drizzy, you know Clear. You know Clear. Alright, Drizzy. But now I said nothing more. Hold on, Drizzy. Let me tell you. You know me and Clear are relative. Drizzy. Drizzy, one next day me will tell you. One of them days when me come a yard, me will tell you what go on. Yeah, man. But here what go on now. Me wish this happenings between Joker and Drizzy never happen. And guys, also, me can tell you, say, me and Danny, we grew up. Yeah, man, the whole of them are Brunbrook, Povley, and the whole of them place there, and all kind of something. Johnny, me, to be honest with you, me no remember Johnny good. I mean, I think Johnny remember me good because Johnny did left go in a foreign country there for a long time. Professor Bingi also he made left go in a foreign country there for, but me know Professor Bingi still and all them kind of thing. 6 bars, me don't know 6 bars, none at all. None at all. But what we are talking about right now is Joker and Drizzy situation. Me wish it never happened. Me wish it never happened because Joker is an in the street youth. Yeah. Joker in the street. Under the street lamp. Under the street. Joker in the street. From the day me know Joker. Joker in the street. Me wish it never happened. And me wish it could have fixed. But I go say this. When I listen to Drizzy Burke, talk, it don't sound like a something I can fix. It don't sound like a something I can fix, but me wish it would have fixed and can fix. Even if Joker never come back on the walking TV, but me wish it at least fix outside of the walking TV. Me that watch the video, and while watching the video, me realize that the lady like the walking TV. When me realize that the lady now, I go give it to them, which as a content creator, as a YouTuber, your skin have it this thick. Hold on. You can't see it? You can't see it. Yeah, your skin can't thin so. When you're on YouTube, your skin have it thick. You know what something tell me? Then back one brother make a video say me a petty file. One brother make him see a man make a next video say me touch like a boy. Yeah. But guess what? Me not pay them things of mine because it's just a content him a make. So me now just move on and go make my content because I saw social media state. People are gonna lie. People are gonna tell you all kind of things. When me see the lady I talk to Joker, and when me see the lady I talk to Johnny, and you know how Johnny stay, Johnny I go lick back, kick back, chop back, and do all kind of things. That's what Johnny is going to do, because that's who Johnny is. Johnny now go sit down and play possum and play dead. No, Johnny go lick back, and Johnny go lick back hard too. The problem is Joker is not that kind of person. Yeah, Joker is not that kind of person. Joker cannot. Joker, listen me good enough. Joker will give you. And when a time for him to take it back, Joker not like that. Joker cannot manage the comeback. If you come back them strong, Joker cannot manage it. Should Joker have walked away from this lady? Yes. He should have walked away, calm down, then come back and know that it's how and what comes with when subscribers come around. Because there go be subscriber who don't like you, Joker, and there go be subscriber who love you. There is subscriber who subscribe to the channel, but they don't like how Johnny operate. But they like how you, Joker, operate. That's how those things work. A subscriber is going to like you because of how you operate, and he go dislike you because of how you operate. So when you're on a channel, when you're on a team of people, like remember now, what this is me now. I'm going to be the devil advocate. What I would blame Joker for, you see, is once you see that lady a kick, walk away. Yeah? Walk away. And then come back. Or realize what's going on and do the same thing she do to you back to her. Just like what Johnny did. Or you should have watched what Johnny was doing and follow what Johnny is doing and know that it's for social media. That's what the channel builds. That's how the channel builds. Those kind of topic, those kind of argument, hardcore argument. That's how the channel builds. Now, Drizzy as the moderator. Guys, some sitting out there bite out hell. Drizzy now as the moderator. Drizzy a video and a laugh and, a laugh and everybody have fun. That should click in Joker head to say, I saw the thing work and I saw the thing go. It did not, because Joker getting in feelings. Joker is a big man. The lady is a big woman. Everybody there is grown people. Should one of them walk away with Joker and say, take it easy? No. Because Joker is a grown man. Joker supposed to know when somebody are pulling foot. Joker should know that. Now, let's go into the meat of the matter. It shouldn't have reached where it reached. It shouldn't have reached where it reached. I've seen some comment that people said the lady was sent there to cause trouble. Nothing a gossip, man. Nothing like that. She wasn't sent there to cause no problem. It's just that she talk hard. She asks hard questions. She talk hard things. It's just the creators. It's just that the team members have to realize that that's just how the business go. And that's what should have happened. Joker should have just work with the flow, swing with the flow, and make the flow just continue flow. Joker couldn't manage the lady. The lady bad. The lady rough. People say the lady disrespect Joker. People say the lady... I see some comment where some people say the lady disrespect Joker and all sort of things. But at the end of the day, you have to know, say, these people are not your friends. These people is going to come and talk things that you may not like, you can handle, and it's up to you, and you have to know how to deal with the situation. That Joker couldn't deal with it. Now, guys, after I see the video, because I subscribe to Drizzy Instagram, Drizzy TikTok. Subscribe to all Drizzy sitting there. But when I look, I see a bit with Drizzy and I go, oh, what happened? Wait, Drizzy and Joker at war? So I believe a joke. So I sit down and I listen to what Drizzy say. And I say, what? I think of the joke thing. But I continue to listen. And I listen. And I listen. And I listen. And I say, what I say? And I start to think about the people that I know. I start to think about Drizzy Burke. And I start to think about Joker himself. Because guys, I know Joker good enough. I can't tell you now. I can't, which I not going to do in this video. I not going to do it. I will never do it either. When I sit down and I listen to it, I shake my head. Yeah, man, I shake my head. And guys, when I shake my head, I say to myself, say, again? Problem again in another team? Yeah, that I say another team. There is a problem again in another team. And I say, man, the people are going to beat Drizzy and all because people are going to say Drizzy always have a problem in our camp. Alright. I left it there, so. I listen to what Drizzy say. To be honest with you, what Drizzy say never sound good. What Drizzy Burke say Joker do, it not sound good. I mean, I'll be honest with you, it not sound good. Because when you have a friend and you bring people to your friend, and then the person where you bring to your friend turn on and start to talk things with your friend, and then your friend are gonna bring back the story to you and say to you, say, yo, you know, say this man I say ABC. Then now you are going to think in your head you want to run with this man, but you don't want to run him because of your friend and all kind of things. So you hold it. See what I say? Alright, you hold it, and when you hold it, you wonder what to do. You wonder what you must do. You say, should I get rid of him? Should I keep him, or should I continuously with him. Yeah, you are going to ask yourself several questions. The only thing is, when me turn around, I mean, look, there is a video with Joker. I mean, I say, what this, man? Yeah, man, I say, what this? Yeah, me really and truly, I say, wait, what really I go on? So me listen to a Joker officer. Me listen to a Joker officer very well. Yeah, man, very, very well. Guys, that video kind of rocky. Because I know the people them. I know them good. Like good. Yeah, man, that video rocky. Hard for make. I know Joker and Drizzy good. And guys, when me sit down and me look on it, I listen to what Joker have to say. Me realize say Joker make the people in the comment section and draw him out. But him a tell the people in the comment section say you can't draw me out. But the same thing when I tell the people them say them can't draw him out. It's the same thing him a make happen. Because them in the comment section. Because guys, let me tell you something. All I want to out the way I do content. The people in the comment section is some of them is your friend. Some of them is there to pull things out of your mouth. Some of them is there to tear, mash you, pull you down. Some of them is there just to get information out of you because they are friends with that person. That person. So that's what some of them is there for, to get information from you. So the thing is, you now have to know, say, you either avoid what them I say, or you don't know what you do. Don't make no video. Don't go on no live, go talk nothing, because them is going to ask a question. You may not want to answer, but them go ask your question and them go say things that go trigger you, and then you go say things out of your mouth that you may not want to say. Me personally, me hear Joker say, Drizzy, in glad say, in the team because Drizzy help him to learn places, fly on plane and do all kind of things. Me hear them, me hear all them something. And me know all them something because me say me know Joker good. And me know Joker, where Joker go, when he no go, and when he never do, and when he do. The team did a lot for Joker. Yes, they do a lot for Joker. Joker was well be known to, and listen me good enough. Joker was well be known by everybody at Portland. Joker, you got to Portland and you say Joker. Listen me good. You go to Portland and you say Joker, Chinaman. Then two name there. If you go to Portland and you say to a man, say, yo, you know a Joker, and him tell you say you don't know a Joker, in just born one day. If you go to Portland and you tell a man, say, yo, you know a Chinaman, and he say, no, he don't know a Chinaman, in just born one day. Then two man there. And there's more. But me just use them two man the name because them two man there are industry general. Then two man there. Yes. Then two man they born under the clock, then live under the clock. Them man they are in the street, man. But when me I listen to Joker, me hear Joker say, I know Drizzy make him be knowing all sort of something. But in my head me I say to myself, say, why Joker make the people them a draw him out that the kind of way? Because Joker a good youth. Everybody have them ways. Everybody have them ways. Me have my ways, Joker have him ways, Drizzy have him ways, Danny, everybody have him with them ways that people don't like. You're not going to get everybody like you. The problem is when me think should have happened is, me not think it should hit social media. I ask myself the question, why everything that happen in these teams always have to hit social media? Why you have a problem? Why you can't say, yo, you know, say, it shouldn't go so, you know. And you talk behind closed door. Why it have to reach pan social media? Because as far as me concerned, and listen me good, you know. Listen me good. As far as I concerned, Joker go on live and talk all kind of things and say for him peace, and you know. And as far as what Drizzy said, who send the video come give him, or who say, look here, all our friends. See what me I talk about? Everybody a friend, you know. But apparently, the person did not like, even though that person and Drizzy and Joker, all our friends, did not like that Joker did that. So then now, Joker now, making video, Drizzy seat, Drizzy push out for him part. I just would like to say to the two man, me really sorry say that happened, brother. And me wish it did happen in a better way. But me wish it never happened, but me wish it happened. Like how it, what me I try to say is, it happened and me wish it did squash a different way. Because Joker a good youth, Drizzy a good youth. The team is a good team. It's a nice team. I love the team because I love the man them and I watch, you know, and I know say when you come from right which part I come from. I would have just like to know say the man them alright and I do the thing rather than fussing and fighting and all them kind of things. You know? So me just sit down sometime and I say to myself, man, I wish it could have happened a better way. I wish it never happened, but it happened already. So, but I wish it never did go that the way there. So, guys, I don't really want, that video is a hard video for me because I make this video and I not really make this video like how I normally would have make video. Because personal things what me not go get in, and me not go really talk about them things. Me go leave them things alone. But the only thing me have to say is, me wish the man them all the best. And one thing me have to really say, when you have a friend, and this me not really talk, me not talk to. How many people, you see this part here? This part here is a part where me no like. But me, so me go talk about it, yeah? You see when a man bring you to a man, never backfire upon that man. Meaning, never carry the man name to the man. Mark, you know, me carry you to my brethren. And you go behind me back. Go talk to my brethren and me carry you, go, me make you know him. And you carry me name. Don't do them things. I mean, I say Joker do it. But me just attack on the behalf of what Drizzy say. Yeah, what Drizzy say. And Drizzy and the man them a friend. And if Joker do that, yes, Joker may say, if you do it, that was wrong. Me not tell you say you do it. But if you have done it, that would be wrong. Me not like them kind of things. But me just believe say the item Me wish the item to do it a better way, a different way. And not because me know no. Me I go say it that way there, but me wish it did turn out a better way. And guys, to all of the team them out there, we have more than one people upon the team. If there's a fallout, within the team, one of the best things to do is go to the main person for the team, have dialogues, have conversation, talk about it. And if you go into part ways, by that, if you go part ways, you know, everybody go know, because people go say, how am I see that man there? And then video go start make. But if you come out on social media every time there is a problem and start to put it out on social media, it never end well. Yeah, it never end well, because you go have people go start dig and go start find out things and you don't know how me stay. But if you tell you the truth, me not go there so with this video, with this. And the reason why is me not think it necessary to make a certain kind of video towards this situation, because this situation could have handled better. Joker should have known, say, the subscribers is going to come and talk and do things that you not gonna like. Joker should have known that by now. It's not the first set of people I come and hit back at him. So him should have known by now how it works. Joker should have known, and I think, guys, I think one of the problems what hit Joker is because people are say goated better than him, Joker. But can I be honest? Can I be honest? Yes, I'm going to be honest. Joker, you can't walk in a goated shoes. No time, no day at all. If I should be as honest as I can be. Goated was born like that. Goated jokes are straightforward, and Goated said things that the way how it come out, the way how him present it, you have to laugh. You have to laugh. You know, the way how Goated present his jokes, present his things, present his argument, is not joke. It's real life seriousness. But it's the way how him present it. But I don't think Joker should take that as heart and start to think that Drizzy go get rid of him and bring in Joker, bring in Goated, because Goated been with Drizzy, been pan walking TV before Joker. So if Drizzy wanted to bring in Goated originally, like, yes, as a walking member, walking TV member, he would have do that long time. Because Drizzy, Bigger Five, Goated, they are friends, like friends. It's not like a money friend, or like me, I pay you. You will hear Bigger Five say, me not do this because Drizzy not like leg on the money. Drizzy not like leg on the money, because I saw them stay. I saw them operate, them know each other like that. So the thing is, sometimes you have to have some form of level of knowing a person, understanding a person, know how a person operates before you try to get into that person, because Drizzy Burke and Joker situation shouldn't reach where it reach, because Joker know who Drizzy Burke is. Know how Drizzy Burke operates. Joker know Drizzy long time. So if there's a problem, the problem should have dealt with differently rather than social media. So me I say. That's all me I say still. But guys, that video did hard for me. That video hard for me. Nah lie, that video hard for me. Guys, some must bite. But guys, me I tell you the truth, me out in my place, huh? Some sitting there bite like hell. So but guys, you don't know. Until the next video, I say a word, peace and love, and I just love what I deal with. Now watch some face. I'm out. Bye bye.